Hi, my name is Dr. Taylor, and I'm a chiropractor here at Impact Chiropractic in Fort Collins, Colorado. And I am going to talk to you about why you don't always hear that cracking or that popping sound when we do an adjustment. Between each of your joints in your spine is what's called synovial fluid. So that fluid surrounds and protects the joints, so those joints aren't like grinding on top of each other. So it's a nice like lubricated protective layer that's made up of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So when we are doing the adjustment, we are adjusting that joint capsule and actually opening up that joint capsule, allowing for nutrients and water to come in, but also getting inflammation and byproducts out. So sometimes you can actually hear that synovial fluid make that cracking noise, which is just those gas air bubbles coming out of the joint capsule. We have a saying here that we don't want to get addicted to the crack, and that's because just because you hear that noise doesn't necessarily mean the proper bone moved back into alignment. And so that's why we use our palpatory findings, so using our hands to check the motion of the vertebrae to ensure that the actual bone moved and not just listening to the noise.